Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today I got some errands to run. Since my last live, many people asking me about how's my bike doing, right? My Xmax. Okay, my bike currently still at EZmotor workshop. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to EZmotor right now, go and take a look, and I will show you guys the update and also the damages, anything. Since today is so scorching hot, and usually nowadays Singapore, like after hot like this, few hours later it will heavy rain. So I don't want to take chance. I'm going to get go car. Somehow I don't know why my car park full. I mean fully taken. So I to go to the car park, next car park near to my house also. Now I'm at the car park looking for the car. See you guys here. But I think before I head to EZmotor, I want to go makan first. I want to go eat first. See you guys later. Okay guys, I don't know why is get go car always park at the high floor. Lucky got lift. 5th floor, man. 5th floor. Okay, so this what available nearest to me. Honda Shuttle hybrid. Okay, I want to check the car first. Later I see you guys. Okay guys, in the car already. Sharing car is very smelly. This one my own car cannot. Sure, I sanitize.
And also
I don't want sound, I don't want music. Later kena copyright. Off radio. Honda Shuttle hybrid. Mirror all okay already. Let's go. Alamak, I forgot to top up cash card. Because nowadays, since the cash card really changed to like very different type, right? The non-chip right? The normal cash card top up, I don't wonder still can top up or not. The normal car park cash card top up, you know, normally near the entrance. Okay guys, see you guys later. See you guys. Got petrol or not? Lucky full. No need to waste time go and pump. See you guys later. Alamak, go upstairs some more lah, park. Don't park here lah. Alamak, go faster park, faster park. I go down with momentum, you know. You know guys, last time all these car dash cam very expensive, you know, last time. I still remember I mounted my SJ cam last time. The cheaper GoPro SJ cam. As a loop recording as a dash cam. Back then it was expensive, man, all this car dash cam. Last time my old car. Okay guys, so the normal cash card machine, top up machine still can the new kind of cash card fresh pay just must put at the fresh pay scanner, cannot insert already. I so long never top up through this kind of thing. See you guys later. Beautiful afternoon, very scorching hot. Okay lah guys, we go makan at Pasir Ris Soccer first. Hungry man, I haven't lunch.
Reports say the turnout has been low. The opposition leader Maria Corina Machado said it was evidence the majority of the Venezuelan people had refused to take part in what she described as President Nicolas Maduro's electoral farce. Thousands have attended a candlelit vigil to mark the 5th anniversary of the murder of the black American George Floyd by a Minneapolis police officer. His family promised to continue their campaign for racial.
Okay guys, we at Pasir Ris Soccer Center. I just parked the car. To think back, I really vlog when I'm in Singapore. So why not go makan vlog. But like I don't know, in Singapore like vlogging like paiseh like that people see. In Thailand, in Malaysia okay no. In Singapore ni like paiseh, don't know why. Some more I'm alone. Okay, see you guys later at the food. Okay guys, wrong timing 12 afternoon now. Oh, so just now when I started the vlog it's still morning. Wrong, it's not afternoon. Just now was still morning. I came during lunchtime lah guys. Alamak, lucky not so crowded. Okay, I want to eat ayam penyet, my favourite. Best part, this stall can use CDC voucher. Kak, ayam penyet satu. Okay. Makan. Okay. CDC boleh pakai? Okay. Sekejap Boleh. Ah, okay.
Nasi mau letak kari,
Mau.
nasi cili.
Boleh juga. Tapi cili tak mau banyak sangat kak.
Okey. Kari, cili.
Okey. Kak,
68.
lepas tu nanti I pay with $2 boleh ya?
Boleh.
180.
180. Okey, siap. Halo.
Sudah.
Yang penyet set bagian paha ya.
Scan or paywave?
Pay with.
180 ah. OK， 对，请你。Sorry， 你讲多一次。
Number 7。
是的吗？
是的。
OK。
paha.
Bang, lemon tea bang. Itu wise limau ah, lemon tea pula. Wise limau ah.
Rice limau Minum
Minum. Well guys, you all see just now when I come no queue now lunch hour started, suddenly no long queue already. Lucky I earlier. I came earlier a bit. Ayam penyet. Here ayam penyet special, they put curry sauce. Quite nice Uncle penyet. So you see you guys later. Okay guys, full ready now I'm going back to the car park. Where's my car? Say my car, where got my car? Where's the get-go car? If you guys wonder, today is weekday and the hourly rental is cheap. Okay lah, compared to weekend or peak hour. Today off-peak hour then some more mid-afternoon I booked for 2 hours first, only 2 hours. I paid the 2 hourly, for the 2 hourly is only $12.20 after discount code. I don't know why I got code also. I opened the app, only prompt me the discount. So I paid for the hourly $12.20 for 2 hours. So now the mileage also later add a bit more ni lah, because I'm going nearby only from Pasir Ris to Kaki Bukit only, not that far. Wah, full man. Okay, see you guys later at EZmotor. Anyway guys, you know, it's been a while I didn't drive a car in Singapore. I think the last time I drive a car, I used to own a car lah in Singapore. Used to lease. But it's been a while And the last time I drove also, I think in Lombok, Indonesia. Got in my travel vlog if you guys look carefully. Ever since car changed to OBU, I didn't drive already. Then now I just now I wonder for a while where's the to insert the card, cash card. Then I remember that time big hoo-ha in Singapore they said at the passenger seat. So it's somewhere here. I don't know can see or not somewhere at the passenger seat in there. I don't know this one lunchtime got free parking or not. Okay guys, I see you guys later. You know what guys one thing I noticed good about car in Singapore like this kind of car park they count you by minute I paid 48 cents only for how long? Half an hour maybe. If kena bike, you half an hour also they charge you per entry $1 plus. Correct or not? This is good thing Actually motorbike also they cannot like that must charge by minutes This one you enter 5-10 minutes after the grace period 10 minutes right usually. You after that 10 minutes only you park 15 minutes also they charge you per entry $1 plus bike. This what I notice Okay guys, see you. Okay guys, I just reached outside EZmotor. I park outside I figure out this parking is cheaper URA parking when I enter this parallel parking, it was quite tight, but I managed to enter one time Then I remember recently I spoke to one of my friend Min. He's driving PHV. After driving for quite some time he still tell me he's still afraid of parallel parking. He always avoid, because got that one night I want to supper with him near to the coffee shop, got parallel parking. He don't want to park. He go and park very far at open car park. He avoid this. Then suddenly this one reminded me of him Actually it's quite tight. Okay, let's go out. Let's go out. Let's go out. I enter the parking coupon already. Okay Oh, now I want to lock the get go car. This thing guys very annoying. Want to lock car so difficult, man. Lock finally. EZmotor. Okay guys, we go and see our bike. Actually, because yesterday was today is Monday. Yesterday is Sunday. They closed, so I don't know what's the update. I didn't call and ask also. Have they started anything? Oh bro, what's up? Don't hide from the camera.
I stand behind now.
Guys, this one EZmotor boss if you guys wonder okay guys, my bike. Many of my subscribers ask me, bro, how's my bike? How's your bike? How's your bike? So today I come update
Wait for the survey. I got take video lah. I haven't send you only.
Yeah lah, you know lah. So never mind lah. I plan to come today. The suspension crash, CVT box crash.
Suspension I cannot take out.
Yeah.
All the other one wait for the survey today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. They will come again, right?
Yeah. Now straight already.
That's why that time when you told me it's 1 week, I give you some allowance. I know sure more than 1 week.
By right.
The surveyor mah.
They only Monday to Friday.
Okay guys, my bike. They stripped down already. So far chassis is okay bro.
No, never kena ban or anything lah.
This how Xmax look like when stripped naked. Become like what bone bike that one. Look like Italjet already. Okay lah, like I mentioned guys, it's basically just the rear part lah, need to be changed a lot lah. Bro, I forgot to ask you one thing bro. The other day, because I got one close friend of mine. He's into really a die-hard scooter rider also He kena something similar like this before.
Then?
You know what he want me or not? Bro, when you kena hantam from behind which means the tire was hit you must check your CVT inside also.
Yeah. The one need to open.
He said because that one
bearing. Saya got bearing.
some more that part what? The behind clutch
gear,
shoe. That
gear,
one.
Gear shaft.
Gear shaft. So guys, they will check They will check guys. Okay, see you guys later. Hey, by the way guys since I'm here EZmotor you guys can feel free to come. Got a lot of engine oil, a lot of cleaner, ENI, Zicolin, M-Soil. I just wish liquid moly. I just wish got Moto lah. You don't want to play, don't know why. Because I love Moto.
Now you use what engine oil?
Moto lah, motor scooter.
You try outside
I try before lah. I don't really like it
Liquid moly scooter?
Liquid moly okay My solo trip the last December I went Singapore, Phuket right. I use that one.
Zicolin scooter?
Zicolin on my big motorcycle I never use. Scooter never use before. Next time Okay, baik, other than oil, not to forget Alien Rider also Now got a lot of models Alien Rider. M2S lah, M12S lah, M2 Max. This one like my one but now change name already. M2 Max. Like my one, now change name. But anyway, the other day Alien Rider had me to update the software, so become the same also. Then all the suspension the fork kit. You guys watch right? The last time I changed my fork kit right here. YS and tires over there. Okay guys, see you guys later. So guys, basically that's it Whatever that need to change, they open my cover set already over there. The front part also. Now the problem is only that just now our boss here, he said my color, red color, even though it's a standard color right from Yamaha, because mine is towards the late V1 2022, toward the ending of V1. So this color not so much spare. So he said maybe if the cover set not available in Singapore, must order from Indonesia. Then if order will take quite some time correct bro?
Yeah, 1 to 2 weeks.
1 to 2 weeks. So best, I hope I can find any. If let's say must order, I hope maybe I can find a used cover set used Xmax cover set temporary, just put. If you guys have spare cover set, let me know. V1 Xmax V1, let me know guys. Okay, see you guys later. Guys, I want to share with you guys my favorite brake pad brand Fizo Power. It's not because it's Fizo To me when I change this brake pad to my Xmax last time, really can feel the difference, man. You know my Xmax braking caliper or brake line all standard, no. I changed this one only Fizo Power
You need to change this one.
Nexter. This one very popular, I know. In Malaysia also they are using this. Better even better than this
This power just normal better only.
but better than original Yamaha, bro.
The one maybe not original.
No, I'm comparing to the factory one.
Original one okay actually.
Oh, the like a bit not sure. This one the lever also feel different.
Because it's more thicker.
I think thicker. I think maybe the rubber softer also maybe.
No. The material
Better. Some more it's not so expensive, guys. So guys, if you guys want to change you guys change.
Okay, you see here.
This one I'm using for my Xmax.
You see, it's more thicker.
No wonder lah. The lever feeling also more shock.
Yeah,
The response more shock coming from the original Yamaha one But guys, must be careful I was told before this one got copy
Got fake.
Got fake
You can see FHC power.
The fake one I heard got no numbers, no print.
Here is Fizo Power F5Z this one FHZ.
So guys, best don't order from Shopee You order from Shopee, you take your chance. Just come here EZmotor they have.
Or Chongek.
Chongek also Okay, nice. Okay guys, see you guys later. Okay guys, while I'm here at EZmotor, right, I think the surveyor came. The surveyor take picture. I don't want to get close let him do his job Don't want to kepo. They are settling, doing the survey. So the surveyor came already earlier. Should be okay We'll replace the cover set, whatever that scratch my CVT or that. They will check also the CVT bearing or whatever. That one what they call?
Gear shaft.
Gear shaft. Always check By the way, thanks EZmotor again for helping. See, this is why I trust them. Very efficient, man. Okay guys, so I think I will see you guys later at the car. I need to go first because I need to return the get-go car already. Today I don't motor vlog, bro. I car vlog today. I car vlog in the car just now. Okay guys, I'm leaving EZmotor already. I need to return my get-go car or else I have to extend. Can extend actually, but no need I got nothing already. I chit-chat with him. Look, my bike, surveyor came. Then stocks one need to be changed or that. I see you guys later. I want to cross the road first. Should be the only problem, cover set got ready stock or not, my red cover set, or else must change fancy colour already lah. See you guys later. Okay guys, I parked the car already. Actually 5 minutes earlier, 10 minutes earlier, but it's okay. The most to me, like, I know it's important but like annoying, take photos. When you want to take the car, you must take photos, a lot of photos. The front 3-4 photos, the rear 3-4 photos, the side 3-4 photos. Then return also the same thing. So it's okay. So guys, you guys already watched just now my Xmax, they stripped So now it's depending whether the red cover set can have ready stock or not. It's all depending on that. If the stock is available, it will be very fast or else it will take quite some time. Actually Jay from the EZmotor boss ask me if I'm okay to pick other colour, but for now I can't think of other colour. I think I still love the red, the Ferrari red. So I ask for that colour also. Maybe in future change colour. Anyway guys, thanks for watching again as usual. Guys, and those who haven't subscribed, please help me to subscribe. I'm hitting 4K subscribers soon. I hope to able to hit round off Those who haven't, don't forget to like this video also as usual. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Depending what content is, you guys will see later. Maybe days after this. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you.